Hey, good morning. Dan Knoblock, dealer principal, Kia of East Syracuse. Just want to give a shout out to Matt and Dave at AutoStaff. Appreciate them running with the ball, getting some potential hire source for us. Completely impressed. Brought in 3 days worth of interviews, 9 to 10 solid candidates. The quality, the diverse background, completely impressed by the amount of people that we've had come in and what they've looked at. Appreciate Dave taking time away from his schedule, coming in, training, good opportunity in the auto industry with his background, and appreciate Matt doing what he does best, and that's sourcing people. Thanks.